G'day everyone. Today marks day one of the Toyota Land Cruiser rebuild. Yeah, we got me 1989 75 series. It's got a 2H NA. And yeah, she's a bit worse for wear at the moment. She's been just sitting in the shed for the past 3-4 months. And a bit of a rundown for what happened. About October last year, it was 2025, and I had an electrical fire, as you can see all the damage here. And yeah, it's just been sitting for the past couple of months. I went and bought myself another ute for the meantime to get around in. But yeah, today's the day we start the process for getting her back on the road, back all schmick. Right, so a quick rundown for what I want to do, the rebuild. I'm going to keep the ARB bull bar, keep the steady spotlight. I'll get some squatty here and a winch probably. I think I'll keep the grill, might just give it a fresh lick of paint. Coming in here, we're going to pull the whole motor out and rebuild it. As far as I'm concerned, it is running at the moment, or should be running. I haven't turned it on in just like 3 or 4 months. But pulling it out, rebuilding it, putting a servo on it, and yeah, that's it for the front here. I'm going to give it a whole cab respray, and yeah, that's about it for the front end here. As for the interior here, it's not the worst, but could definitely do with a good touch up. So I'm gonna new custom door cards, sort out the ceiling here. I haven't actually decided what I want to do with the ceiling, but I got a few ideas. Yeah, I need to get the ashtray sorted out, and this steering console that I haven't touched since I bought it. And yeah, new floor, new speakers, plenty going on in here. And last but not least, I'm going to be building a custom tray for the back here. Plans for today, I want to get pretty much the whole front end out, and as much of it burned out from wiring that I can. So right now, to get rid of it. And I'm trying to trade where the blinkers from the bull bar come out. I'm trying to keep as much of the wiring as I can. So just have to look now. Righto, these bull bar blinkers come up under there, just there. Come into here, and I can just unplug them straight there. That's bloody beautiful for me. Very happy about that. And as I'm going through unplugging all this shit, I'm just gonna be labeling it with a tape and a texter, just like that. Nice and easy to remember. And we can pull her out. Righto, that's going to wrap today's episode up. Part 1 done. We got the radiator out. That's all the stuff we got out today. Still not ready to pull the motor out yet. We've got to take the airbox out, disconnect the exhaust, take the alternator out, and yeah, disconnect everything else. And yeah, probably part 3 or 4 will be pulling the motor. But yeah, the GoPro just keeps overheating and so does my phone, so I'm going to call it for today. Anyway, see you later.